Hi guys, my name is Sinah and welcome to today's shoulder-focused yoga Pilates workout. So today's workout is going to be a great one because working out our shoulders enhances our posture, improves our overall body stability, and it also protects our shoulder joints. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you can't watch this workout right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later and do it when you can. Hi guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with a nice shoulder and arm stretch. So take a deep breath in as you step to the right side of your mat. Inhale, your hands come all the way up and you lengthen throughout your left. Yes, say good morning. Feel your body lengthening. Let's repeat it on the right side. Inhale, hands come all the way up. Step to the left and lengthen through your right. Wonderful job. Inhale, hands come all the way up. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. We're going to set the intention to fully give our 110% in this workout today and letting go of any other expectations or to-do lists that we may have going on throughout the rest of our day. And I'm going to leave you with a little quote. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Lao Tzu. Put a warm smile on your face. Open up your eyes and let's step to the front of our mats. Inhale, hands come all the way up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Right here in this forward fold, we're going to sweep our arms back, interlace our fingers right behind our back, and simply allow our shoulder blades to come up and over. Feel that shoulder stretch. Maybe start walking those knees a little bit. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, sweep them right back down. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, plant those hands, and we're going to step into that plank. We're going to start with a few exercises for 15 seconds or 15 reps, and then we will drop it down to 10. So holding this plank for 15 seconds. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You got this. Imagine somebody's pulling your wrists to your feet and your feet to your wrist. Oh yeah, feel that engagement for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay right here. Open your feet a little bit wide. Find that stability in your back. And let's start with our shoulder taps. Here we go. Start tapping with me. You got this for 10 more. Now imagine that your favorite drink, a latte, cinnamon dolce, my fave, is sitting on your back and you don't want for it to fall. So find that stability. Hold right here. Chaturanga down. Wonderful. Coming into your mat. Instead of an upward facing dog, we're going to lengthen our arms and legs all the way up. Hold right here. Engage that booty. Tuck in your belly. Lengthen your arms. Lengthen your legs. And let's start swimming. For 15, 14, 12, 10. You got this for 8, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Lengthen. Swim those arms back. Grab a hold of your feet. If this option is not available, just go ahead and allow your arms to just stay back. And slowly take a deep breath in as you lift all the way up into that boat pose. Hold right here. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. One more breath in. Feel your shoulders lengthen. Exhale, come right back into your mat. Plant your hands by the side of your shoulders. Lengthen your legs. Push yourself up. Right here, staying in this pose, we're going to go ahead for 15 shoulder push-ups. In your knees, or you can come to your feet. I'm going to stay in my knees. But if you can, remember that option is always available. And come with me. You got this for 13, 12, 11, 10. Oh God, my shoulders are shaking already. Come with me for 7, 6, 5, 4, engage that core. For 3, 2, 1, hold right here. Go ahead and push up into your toes. Holding that plank, deep breath in, deep breath out. And we're holding for 10 seconds. I know, I'm shaking too, but you will feel so good and so empowered after this workout. So hold it right here, 2 more seconds, and chaturanga down. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Wonderful job. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Let everything go. Walk your feet in. We're gonna repeat the same workout, but for 10 reps. Inhale, your hands come all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Sweep those arms back. Grab a hold of your hands. Allow your shoulders to come up and over and lengthen. Remember, we're letting go of any expectations or to-dos. We're just focusing in this practice and allowing our bodies to transform into what they might be. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, step your hands and feet all the way to plank. And we hold right here for 10 seconds. You got this. Imagine somebody is sending your wrist to your feet and your feet to your wrist. Oh yeah, that engages that core. Hold right here and shoulder taps. Let's go. Whatever your favorite drink is, right now in the fall season, might be that pumpkin spice latte, maybe a wine, whatever it is, it's on your back. We're holding it. Hold right here, chaturanga down. Wonderful. Inhale, lengthening those arms and legs all the way up. And start swimming with me. You're lengthening to opposite sides for 6, for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen. Swim to grab a hold of your feet. Deep breath into boat pose. And hold. Exhale it all out. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward fold. Wonderful. Press yourself into your knees. And let's go for those 10 knee push-ups. Come with me. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, in 5. Oh God, I'm shaking. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Drop to your chest. When you're ready, lift to that plank. Last 10 seconds to hold that plank. Let's get it in. You got this. Find that stability in your core. Find that determination. You're here. You're here and nowhere else. Focus for 5, 4, 3, 2. Press to downward dog. Wonderful job. Start pedaling that right foot and that left. When you're ready, walk your hands or your feet to meet each other. And let everything go. Let your body hang heavy. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Wonderful. Go ahead and grab a hold of your feet. Gently just pull your upper body towards your thighs. Right here. Inhale, hands come all the way up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Let's do that shoulder stretch once more. Hands come up and over. Interlace behind your back. And feel that body stretching those shoulders. You did so amazing. Take a few deep breaths here. And let everything go. Slowly walk your hands all the way up. Come into a standing position. We're going to end this class just as we started. So step to the right. Inhale, grab a hold of your left wrist and stretch it to the side. Feels so good. If you want a deeper stretch, go ahead and step that left leg behind your right. For that stretch, inhale all the way up. Stepping into the left. Nice stretch of the right. All the way up. Bring to heart center. Go ahead and open up your arms wide. Cross that right. Grab a hold of your left and do that stretch on the side of your arm. That feels so good. Let's repeat it on the other side. As we cross it, we stretch. Inhale, hands come all the way up to the sky. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Go ahead and close your eyes right here. Feel the shift in your body. Feel the strength in your arms, in your shoulders. Now go ahead and lengthen your posture, engage that core, and just feel the magic of what you did for your body right now. When you're ready, go ahead and put that warm smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me, and I will see you on the next workout. Namaste. If you enjoyed this workout, go ahead and feel free to download our Yoga Plus app for other similar workouts, and we will see you later. If this workout served you in any way, go ahead and follow my Instagram account at Sinah for any feedback and also any other Pilates, yoga, and overall well-being tips.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.